In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make a very simple vegetable desi masala noodles with Indian spice mix. So first we will be needing some water. Water should be half the level of the vessel that you are taking, and then into the water add half teaspoon of salt, then half teaspoon of oil and let it boil on high flame. Once it is boiled nicely, add 2 packets of noodles. You can take any brand and cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Separate it like this using a spoon or whatever you have. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame and strain the water using a strainer. Then pour almost 1 full glass of cold water over the noodles. This will help stop the overcooking of the noodles. Then in a vessel or pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then 2 teaspoons of sliced ginger, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and then add 2 chopped green chilies. You can adjust the chilies according to your taste. Then 2 teaspoons of spring onion and give it a good mix. Now add half sliced onion and cook this onion on high flame for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Do not brown these onions. Then add some sliced carrot, almost half cup. Then add roughly chopped cabbage, also half or 1 cup. And then add 1 small sliced capsicum. The choice of vegetable is all up to you. You can add any that you like and skip the ones you do not like. Then give this all a very good mix on high flame for a few minutes. So our crunchy vegetables are ready. Now we need to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Then half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase this if you like more spicy or just decrease if you do not like. Then half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Half teaspoon of salt. Again give this all a very good mix. All the spices should mix up very nicely with the vegetables. Cook on high flame. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. If you do not have any of these sauce, you can add whatever you like red chili sauce. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give this all a very good mix. This will turn very aromatic. You will love the smell. Then finally add the boiled noodles. Here you need to mix the noodles very well with all the vegetables, the spices, the sauce. This will take few minutes, but you have to be patient. Toss this, mix this very nicely. And finally you need to add some spring onion, chopped spring onion. I love these. I love the taste of these, so I am adding a lot. You can add a very little amount, and this is also optional. Like if you have, you can add this. This will give a very nice taste to your noodles. So these are done. Let's serve these in a bowl. The aroma, the taste, everything about these noodles is amazing. You need to try this if you are a noodle fan. Even if you are not, you will definitely like this one. Until bye.